buy a wall-mounted aquarium. A wall-mounted aquarium can be very elegant and dramatic. Some of them can be mounted within a wall in such a way that the aquarium can be viewed from 2 rooms. Because they are so dramatic and can often be viewed from 2 rooms, prices tend to be considerably higher than for a conventional aquarium. Additionally, the installation of a wall-mounted aquarium may require the services of a professional carpenter. And maintenance tasks may be a bit more awkward due to the confined space. Assess the site for your new wall-mounted aquarium. You may need to hire a professional to help determine if there are pipes, electrical wiring, or air ducts in the wall you intend to use. Locate the studs and determine if the wall is a load-bearing wall. Again, you may need to get a professional assessment, especially for larger aquariums. Determine the best method of hanging it. There are 2 ways to get an aquarium on your wall. Hang it, or build it right into the wall. The results of your assessments done in steps 1 and 2 will help you determine if the in-wall option is even possible. Measure the area. Make sure to account for placement of accessories like pumps, filters, and lighting. If your plans are very ambitious and you and #39 willing to invest a bit of money, it and #39 possible to locate your filtration in a completely different area of your home, pumping the water back and forth. This has several advantages for the wall-mounted aquarium. It will reduce the noise of the pump powering the filter from the area where the aquarium resides. Your filter can include a large volume of water, which can increase the number of fish you can keep in your aquarium. Order your aquarium. With your site assessment details in hand, you are ready to purchase your wall-mounted aquarium. Refer to the websites listed at the end of this article for some possible vendors. Decide whether you need professional help. Once your aquarium arrives, you may need to schedule time with a professional to get it installed unless you are confident that your handyman skills are up to the challenge. I always recommend understocking aquariums. Many of the wall-mounted options tend to be smaller in total gallons than a similarly priced typical aquarium. The best wall-mounted aquariums I and #39 seen have a few very dramatic, and often expensive, fish that take center stage. Quick tips: installing a wall-mounted or in-wall aquarium is an advanced level project. Skills required may include carpentry, rough and finish, electrical and plumbing. This is one of the most expensive types of aquarium setups per gallon. You will pay more to keep less fish. but the potential to enjoy your aquarium from 2 rooms without sacrificing floor space may be worth it. Useful links: wall aquariums, cool tanks frame a fish.